Hello everybody, this is Mandy VanHavermaet. I am an independent demonstrator with Stampin' Up! And I am going to show you how to fold one of the trays from the September 2022 Spooky Treats Paper Pumpkin. The boxes that come with the finished product looks like this, right? There's actually 3 of them. And they are belly bands that go around a tray. That's like this. So I'm just going to show you quickly how to fold the tray because they kind of confused me when I first got them. So this is what they look like when you get them. So my tip, or the way I do it, is I go through and I fold on each score line both directions, just so that it's easier to maneuver, to manipulate. So I go through and I fold them all. And I really like these trays. I have another video that I will link into the description of some, I actually used the belly bands to make some cards. So I have an alternative of what to use, how to use these trays then. So what we're going to do is we are first going to fold these each side up. Oh, I missed a spot. Okay, so we're going to fold each side up like that, and then we're going to tuck these in, and then this goes, I'm folding them backwards. It's white on the inside, orange on the outside. Good gravy. We're gonna fold those in. We're gonna put it so the orange is showing, okay? So you're going to, this is actually a fold that goes down, and like that, okay? And then you're gonna bring the short side, let's turn it that way. We're gonna bring the short side up, and then down, and then also make so it's all these little flaps are on the bottom, okay? And so that's going to hold that in, and then this comes up and it goes down, and then this little piece here actually tucks in there into that little slit, and it holds it all down. So now you have a little tray. Okay, so I hope this helps you out. I hope it makes it easier to complete your paper pumpkin and have fun creating. Thank you so much. Bye bye.